Hello everyone, my name is Shivi Gupta. Welcome to another interesting video that will help you understand how an insurance web aggregator functions. In my last video, I talked about how you can obtain an IWA license, and in this video, I'll share with you how you can renew this license easily. As you know, an IWA license is valid for a period of 3 years. Therefore, once you set up your business and successfully run it for such period, you need to follow the renewal process laid down by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India in its IWA regulations of 2017. Now let's dive straight into the process that you must follow to renew this license. The first step is to file an application for renewal with the authority in Form F of the regulations at least 30 days before the expiry of the license. This application can be filed as early as 90 days before the expiration date. The next step is to prepare all the relevant documents that support the company's eligibility to continue running an insurance web aggregator business. These documents are then submitted to the authority along with the application. This process is followed by the submission of a renewal fee of Rs 25,000 in form of a demand draft. Any delay in filing the renewal application and documents at least 30 days before the expiry can jeopardize the company's chances of getting the license renewed. Further, the business will have to pay an additional penalty of Rs 100 if the application is not submitted within this period. The only way of getting an extension from the authority is to submit an extension application explaining such delay, which the authority may or may not accept. If the application is accepted, the business gets another 60 days to submit its renewal application. However, this also comes with an additional penalty of Rs 750, and the authority only considers such application after the lapse of 1 year from the date of expiry. The license ceases to exist during such period, and the business cannot carry its web aggregation function or take on new clients. The authority scrutinizes this application in detail to check the applicant's eligibility, its net owned funds, financial position of the director and promoters, applicant's compliance with the code of conduct, fit and proper criteria, training of the principal officer, and other such requirements. Only after a thorough verification and confirmation of the applicant's eligibility, the authority renews the insurance web aggregator license in Form H of the regulations. Such renewal extends the validity of the license for another 3 years. Now let's go through the different documents that must be submitted along with the application. The applicant must submit a self-certified undertaking in the prescribed format, a confirmation about the place where the company's website is hosted, a list of people who control the website, a detailed business plan for the next 3 to 5 years, and a certificate of renewal of insurance training by the principal officer and authorized verifiers. If the application is rejected by the authority, the applicant cannot function as an insurance web aggregator anymore, and its business ceases to exist. However, there is a silver lining here. The applicant can file an appeal against the rejection with the Securities Appellate Tribunal within 45 days of receiving the rejection order from the authority. The applicant also has the option of filing a fresh registration application 12 months after such license cancellation or renewal rejection. The authority appoints a special committee to evaluate such application and makes a decision regarding rejection or grant of a new license as per the committee's suggestions. The process of insurance web aggregator license renewal can seem complicated if the company plans to handle it on its own without any guidance from the insurance experts. Additionally, even one wrong step can lead to the application getting rejected by the authority. This is why assistance from business experts become critical when applying for the insurance web aggregator license registration or its renewal. At EnterSlice, we offer end-to-end assistance for your insurance web aggregator license registration, renewal, as well as compliances. Our experts will assist you at every stage of your dealings with the authority, ensuring that you comply with the applicable regulations and laws without fail. To know more about our services, please comment below about your requirements or contact us on the details shown. Stay tuned for more such informative videos and subscribe to our channel for more help with your business regulatory compliance requirements.